Hello girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts, the most excellent series on zero to hero Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, we are on lesson number 64 and I am going to show you how to update a tuple, right? How to update a tuple. Remember guys, once a tuple is created, you cannot change its value, okay? That's the thumb rule in Python, okay? Tuples are unchangeable, or you can call it as immutable, as it is also known as, some people call it as immutable, it's nothing but unchangeable. But however, there is a workaround, right? It's not a solution, but there is a workaround. So you can convert the tuple into a list and then go back to list and change the list, right? And basically it's converting the list back into tuple. Is it little confusing? If you go back to my list lessons, you will understand how I showed you to create a list, access the list, and then you can modify the list, right? Tuple, the only change is just because it's immutable, it's not changeable, but you can convert that into a list. So let me show you with an example. I'll show you with the code. Let me log into my Jetson Nano. And I hope you are able to see my screen. I am already logged in. Let's open our previous file, nano tuple.py. Okay, let me delete this program, the old one. Let me delete this code. Now let's think of an example. Say x equals to, what is that? X equal to Tom with a double quote and a spacer comma. Let's create another one. Say Jerry, and then let's create another one. Say dog. Okay, and let's declare y. What is y? Here you need to say list. All right, list is x. All right, so that is the y is nothing but it's a list which is x. Now y, let's access with a square bracket. Access, and what you're gonna have, 1 2 3, let's use 1. Okay, equals. Now what we can do is, you want to modify the 1 which is Jerry, 0 1 2, right? Let's say you want to modify that to Avengers. So Avengers. All right, now x equal to tuple and you call y. Can you see that guys? What I'm trying to do? I'm just converting the tuple into a list, and in list I'm trying to modify one particular value and again calling back in tuple, right? Now let's try to print x. All right, I hope this works. Let's see, let's give a try. Control O, enter, Control X. Now Python 3 tuple.py. There you go, you got it right. Tom, Avengers and dog. So Avengers has been replaced with Jerry. So you are able to modify with a workaround, right? So that's how you can actually do some modification in the tuple, in the list, by converting that into a list and then access that with a certain index. Change that index accordingly, whichever you want, and then input your own value and then convert back into tuple. That's as simple as that guys. So I hope you like this lesson, and do please give me a thumbs up and like my videos. See you soon in the next lesson.